Okay, let's begin by talking about what will not be here in this proposal. This lectern is gone. Okay, so if you see it being tight over here, it's because this lectern will disappear. Instead, the lectern is here so that the instructor is in the semi-round. Lectern is here. A second thing that would be taken out is this projector. This projector would be replaced with webcams. The webcams will enable us to record everything that goes on in this room for webcasting, pandemic treatment, etc., as well as for recording of lectures as the campus makes progress towards providing online courses. Now let's take a look at the room. We have two full arcs with walkways in between, because computer science professors like to be behind their students to help them. Further, the capacity of the room, as you see it here, is 30 students, up from 24 students. So we have two full arcs. Whatever minor details need to be adjusted. I'm going to switch to wide angle. There. That wall would be a new whiteboard. The monitor remains. And on this side, the coat hooks should disappear. No longer be an obstacle to walking along the wall. Perhaps a bulletin board or smaller whiteboard on the far wall there. Okay, additionally, we have room for at least 3 carols. Now, I want you to notice a few things about these carols. Let's walk over there. First, these tables would have to be shorter. You notice that the students would be working kitty corner to each other. The laptop there, the laptop here. They are talking to each other, they are working with each other, and over the back of, there's over the back of the table in this direction is a monitor which is showing this student's screen so that the person working here can look up and see the monitor on the cubicle, mounted on the cubicle wall over there, and reversing, this student is working here, can glance upward at the cubicle wall, the Carol wall, and see the monitor which is showing the output of this student here. Okay, now that will permit tutoring, agile development, the very cutting edge of work-related pairs programming in the corporate world. It'll facilitate many other things. For example, other student project work, advising, the list goes on. Mentoring. So we have at least 3 carols worth. Remember that there would be a wall divider holding up the monitors. This is a room for a final table, leading us up to the full 30, up from 24. It would be wonderful if there was an exit door here. That would likely be the most expensive part of this rebuild. So what we're talking about is essentially rearrangement of the room. Add a few monitors for $100 a piece. Add some Carol walls over here. Repaint, give us some real color. Let's sell this space here. This space here would have up top the so-and-so computer science classroom, or the so-and-so technical classroom, or some acceptable thing. Let's sell the room. The redo of the room is not that expensive. Make sure these whiteboards are all in tip-top shape. Give us some more color in here, and it'll be a much more higher impact space. Maybe if room works out, maybe some couches over there and a coffee table. The benefits of the instructor being in the round. Now consider this. The way this is now, if I'm lecturing, I am a full classroom width away from the students in that corner. If we broke it down, I'm sure you'd find that a majority of our Fs come from students who always sit there. So when we are in the round, the half round, I should say, we are closer to every student in the room. The benefits of this, I think, will be felt immediately. That is, in essence, our proposal, to rehabilitate this room on the cheap, making it a high-impact space. This room, if done well with the color, perhaps borrowing from the arena in the esports space, borrowing that color scheme, this becomes a place that you want on your tours of the people coming through. And I'm just amazed that my colleagues and I came up with a plan which greatly expands the capacity of the room, as well as gives us new flexibilities to work with students. Thank you.